Yo guys, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legends. Today we are here in Wood Green in the London Borough of Haringey in North London. So without further ado, let's take off. As you can see, it looks like there's little mites on there. That only happens when it's hot outside. When it's hot and this thing is hot, there's a lot of these red mites come on there, which is, I've noticed that quite a lot. Anyway, without further ado, just gonna take off, go up to the max height. What's that? I see that in the sky, that's crazy. I'm not sure you can see that, but let's point up to the sky. You can see something. Anyway, what we're just gonna do, we're just gonna do a 360-degree photo, and then we're just going to zip around Wood Green. So let's go up to the max height. Look at that amazing shot. Nice calm day. Can't beat a day like this. We're going to do 360-degree photo now. Alright, 360-degree photo is now complete. Let's just zip around the area. So let's go down towards here first, where the wind's blowing. Actually the wind's blowing the opposite way, to where the wind's blowing opposite. So I'll go down here. You can hear like an echo when I move my controller. Not move my controller, but like when I switch between modes, sports mode, normal mode. Let's get a shot of this area down here. I don't know what that noise is. It sounds like some exhaust. You can kind of hear it, but I guess that adds to the video, adds to the atmosphere. Got a place called Hollywood. I think this is a cinema right over here. Look at that, nice shot. What we'll do, we'll just go down to this way. Let's just explore this area down here. Looks like there's a little building over here. Let's just go around that. Look at that, that's sick shot. Nice green area. Guess that's why it's called Wood Green. And then we've got cranes over here. Imagine I do an orbit and the crane's in the way, but we should be good. You can see the crane right there anyway. We're not going to go into it, but let's just explore what's around the crane. Just want to see. Look at that amazing shot. Unrivaled views. Look at that. Let's follow this bus coming back. Look at it, you can see the wind blow on that little tart right over here. Tarp, I mean. Mounted tart. Like a custard tart, it's jokes. Anyway, let's explore the area down here. I think those vents noise are getting quite loud. But you know, I'm here, innit? I took off here. So we've got another car park in this area. Down there, let's just explore this junction area. This is near the station, Wood Green. Look at that amazing shot, unrivaled. Unmatched. Let's go down now towards this area. Let's get a lower down shot of this area down here. Look at that, nice shot. This is where I am, on top of this rooftop car park. Look at that, the M, right over here. Let's go down towards this area. If it was high noon, we would be able to see the road essentially lit up by the sun. So many rooftop car parks here. Let's go towards this area down there. Go up to the high road, Haringey High Road or Wood Green High Road. Get a tour of this area. I believe what we're focused on is a pound land. It looks like it, certainly. Let's go towards this area. There's a little bus station right over here. We're near an area called Turnpike Lane. It's really close, it's like right next to each other almost. So this is a Turnpike Lane station, I think. Yeah, it is. Let's go towards this area. I should just stay here in this area. Let's go down here. Let's see what's down there. Let's explore the neighbourhood of Wood Green. Let's go towards this area down there. Look at that. Let's go towards this area. There's actually a lot to explore here, literally. Look at that amazing shot. And we've got the area down there. We've got a train station over here. Look at that, nice shot of the train. Look at that, sick shot. Even got this area down there. Let's go towards this little area down there. Very hilly area. I'm literally looking from the rooftop car park. It's literally a hilly area. It's like every time I do a drone fly, it's like I'm on a mini holiday. Actually amazing. Look at that shot. So sick. Go down towards here. Get a shot of the train. We're literally coming back to where we are anyway, we're close. Look at that, amazing shot, unrivaled views. Look at that, that's so sick. Where else can we go? There's a little reservoir over here, river. There's another high-speed train coming. That is a sick shot. This gives me some kind of vibe, this shot. Lot to explore here. See what's down there. Look at that amazing shot. We've got Alexandra Palace over there as well. It looks like it's so close and reachable, but it's actually quite far down to reach, so I don't think we'll reach it, unfortunately. We're so sick if we could reach it though. Like, it looks really far. Look at that shot. Actually, you know what? Let's see if we can reach it. Ali Pali is right over here, look. Let's go a little bit towards it. We'll just get... Like, looks like I could easily reach it. It looks like it would take, like, not long to reach that, but it's actually, because of the distance and how huge it is, it's going to take a long time to reach there. We can go towards it, but we can't, like, we probably won't make it there because it's too far. What we'll do, we'll just go a little bit towards Ali Pali. Look at that. That's a nickname for the place. You know what, let's turn around. I don't want to risk being stuck out there by the wind because a sudden gust can just come. Maybe I could do another drone flight near Ali Pali soon. There's so many mites. Like, I'm gonna get my 360 camera out and record it. Look how many mites there are. It looks tremendous amount. Only in hot days like this you see this. Look at this. All these mites. Amazing. Crazy, isn't it? How come there's so many? Let's explore this area now. We'll just go down towards here. It's actually a nice area to get like shots with my camera. I should have bought my camera, but usually when I bring my drone I carry light. But I should have brought my camera, then I could have got amazing shots from up here. Because look at the view from where I'm standing. It's actually insane. Like, this drone flight is also completely solar powered, so it's charged by the power of the sun. In the description, I've put the fact that this drone flight is 100% solar powered. So if you see that in the description, that means this drone flight's 100% solar powered, which it is. Look at these new builds over here. Let's go towards that. Let's just explore this area down here. Let's get a shot on top of these flats. Look at that. Nice shots. Look at that. That's so sick. Give me some kind of vibe. Okay, we'll go down here. Look at that. Then we've also got the train line right over here, where the trains run. Let's go down towards this area down there. Let's get a circular shot. Look at that. I think we've been there already. We already got a shot of that. What we'll do now, we'll come back towards Wood Green and we'll just get a shot in this area. Actually, there's actually a place here. Let's get a shot of this really quickly. Look at that. Looks like there's a lot of solar panels on top of this building. Look at that. Let's get a low down shot of this area now. We don't really get low down shots too often. Look at that, 6 shot. We've got solar panels right here as well in this local area. Look at that. Amazing shot. What we'll do, let's go towards this little area down there. Let's check out this Morrison's. Get a clear shot of that, look at that. Look at that. Let's get a low down shot of Wood Green while we're here. Go a little bit upwards so that we stay in sight of it. Yep, we've got sight of it now. You know what, I think I've got to bring the drone back now. Yeah, I've got to bring the drone back. Let's get a quick shot of this construction site. You know, I could have got more low down shots here. Let's get a quick shot of this quickly. We won't go as close to it, we'll just go a little bit towards here. Look at that, amazing shot. Alright, let's come back now to this little area. Let's come back in sports mode, yeah? Look at that, look how fast we're coming. Amazing shot. Alright, let's land the drone now. BP is going to start in a minute, so it's best to just land it now. Bit windy, but got to catch it. Ooh, alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Wood Green in London Borough of Haringey. The beeping didn't even start. I landed it before the beeping started. Anyway, that was my amazing drone flight here in Wood Green. Look how many mites there are. It looks tremendous amount. Only in hot days like this you see this. Look at this. All these mites. How come there's so many? I hope you enjoyed this video of me flying in Wood Green in North London, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.